I will show you how tiny habits can give you the biggest lungs of your life. Why is no one talking about how your street, your couch, your coffee shop change your breath? Cities filled with smog, vaping clouds, factory fumes, smoky kitchens. These things whisper into your lungs every day. Air pollution, vaping, secondhand smoke. But here's the good news. Small switches make big lung gains. Step 1. Swap smoky rooms for fresh air breaks. Open a window, take a 5-minute walk. Step 2. Cut one a day. Cut one vaping session a day. Cut one cigarette a day. Replace it with water. Replace it with deep breaths. Step 3. Move a little more. Short walks. Light cardio strengthen lungs over time. And if quitting feels huge, get help. Talk to a doctor. Join a support group. You don't need to be perfect. Just start. Your lungs will thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.